mark. Hi guys, I'm Ann and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. And today we are doing another TikTok dance tutorial, and I'm really excited because this is an actual original dance that I made up. The other ones I just got off TikTok and I'm teaching my students how to do. So this one is mine. So I'm pretty excited to show it to you today. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and stick around, but first don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you shared it. That helps my channel out so much. It also helps if you give my videos a thumbs up if you enjoy them. And finally, don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified of all my future uploads. All right, you guys, let's dive right in. I won't be able to play the music due to copyright issues, but it's going to be to Todrick's Hair, Nails, Hips, Heels, and you can find that anywhere on YouTube. You can look it up and find it. I don't know how they're not getting copyright strikes, but I get a strike every time I do anything. I can look at a song and they're like, no. So sorry about that. Like all TikTok dances, this is just a little chunk of the song, and I've tried to look up Nails, Hair, Hips, Heels on TikTok, and I haven't been able to find it, but you can just find me on TikTok and you can use the sound. You can find that video of mine and just use the sound. So if you look for hashtag SAHS dance, you can find me that way, or you can just look me up by my name on TikTok, which is at Chronically_Beaut, B-E-A-U-T, and you can find the sound there. All right, let's dive right in. So first of all, you should know this video is going to be mirrored when you see it, and my watch is on my right hand. So if that helps you to keep up, you're gonna look like you're in a mirror with me when I set it up in the video. So here we go. So it starts off at the part of the song that says wave, wave, blow a kiss. So you're gonna start here and stand any way that you like. I like to look sassy. So you wave, wave, blow a kiss. So we're putting both hands here, blow a kiss. So one more time, wave, wave, blow a kiss. Then we're going, I'm the one, sis. So wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm that one, sis. And we're gonna reach up, and pull down. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the up, down. And then you're gonna immediately, you can leave your hands down or you can put them up on your hips. Your left foot should be free through all of that. So now you're gonna say, you're gonna step back. Left, right, left, right, left, and spin. Left, right, left, right, left, right, spin. When you do the spin, you're just gonna pick up on your feet and turn to your left on the balls of your feet. You should be facing away from the camera at this point, and you're gonna take your left foot and step through 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're familiar with samba at all, these are fogos. So you just did left, right, left, and spin. Left, step out, right, and I win. You're gonna put your crown on your head there. So one more time, left, right, spin. I put my weight on my right foot here so I can bring it through. Left and step, and I win. From the top. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one, sis. Left, right, and spin. Step and out, cross, and I win. Got it? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one, sis. Left, right, and spin. Step and out, step, and I win. From there, you're gonna do fiesta side steps. Just take 2 steps towards the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna bring your hips around town as you do it. Okay? So we just did our crown, win, left, right, and jump. And then we're gonna square up with the camera. From the top, nice and slow. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one, sis. Left, right, and spin. Step and out, step, and I win. Side, step, and 2. The lyrics are gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. So you're gonna go 5, cover your face, or just your mouth, you might just see your sassy eye. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. I can't get my ring finger to come up without looking janky, but it's so fast it's gonna be fine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Left, right, left, and spin. Step and through, step, crown, side, together, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. One more time from the top. Wave, wave, blow a kiss, I'm that one sis. Left, left, and spin. Step and out, crown, and I win. Body, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Body roll, and we're done. Hey, good job. Now I say one more time, but I'm a band director, and one more time never means one more time. So we're gonna do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one sis. Left, right, and spin. Step and out. Step and I win. Work the hips, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Like a magician. And then big body roll, 2, 3, 4, sit. And just have some fun with it at the end. From the side steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Body roll, and we're done. And on that body roll, imagine there's a hula hoop, and you need to go through it head first. It's just hanging there. I go in my head, and then the rest of my body goes in, all the way through, and then I sit up. So I'm here, boom, and sit down. Boom, head, roll, and sit down. Roll the body. Okay, now I'm gonna do it where I turn around and you get to see what it looks like from your angle. So we're here. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one sis. From there, left, right, spin, step and back, step and I win. Again. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. It doesn't matter which hand you put first, honestly. I'm the one sis. Left, right, spin, step and out, cross and step. So far so good. Let's try that again from the left, right. So we're here, back and forward and back, and we stand up on the balls of our feet, turn around, and then we step out of it, step, out, step, cross, and step. One more time, left, right, and spin, step and out, step, win. So we just did this. We're now stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn and face forward. Hand comes up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm a 10. Body roll forever. Left, right, and spin. Step and out. Step, win. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Body roll. One more time. Wave, wave, blow a kiss. I'm the one sis. Left, right, and spin. Step and out. Step, win. Come around. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Body roll forever. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave, wave, blow up, kiss. I'm the one sis.
right, and spin. Cross and step, cross and I bend. Come towards you, here I go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10. Body roll, and we're done.
Nice job, you guys. I think you got it. If not, just watch the video again. Don't forget to check out some of my other dance tutorials too. All right, you guys, keep coming back. Take care of you.